Okay, so my slime is being really fluffy right now.
Alexa,
really
give me a timer for 15 minutes.
And
I need to finish up.
okay,
Starting now.
so it's really fluffy. She's calling you again.
I know, I'm ignoring her. It's really, really
Yeah. Okay. So if you keep mixing and you add too much and it feels like not good, keep mixing and it feels really fluffy at the end. I think I added too much. You didn't. I added that much. More than that. It's gonna look like that and then it's gonna come together. Mine's starting to come together because I wish I could put this on the table, but I can't. You good? You good? Is it sticky? Yeah, kind of. Okay, keep mixing until it's not sticky. Talia, stop! So I'm going to add a little bit of glue, just a tiny bit, because that makes it more stretchy and
Okay, mine isn't
sticky at all. So I guess. Okay. If it's sticky, add more activator. So since it's sticky, add some. So since mine is fluffy and I added, so if it's sticky, add
Shaving cream.
activator or shaving cream. If it's really like stringy, add glue. So I'm gonna keep mixing, and then it's probably gonna come together.
You're wet. I'm bringing pizzas. You're screaming mommy like a 4-year-old. I will be with you in a second. I'm not your babysitter. Get on the phone.
Okay, so it's almost coming together. Add a little bit. Oh my god. Okay.
I think I'm gonna put my slime on the table now.
Oopsies.
Because it's getting all together now.
Could you move my glue? The glue.
Are you done with the glue part? Yes
Yeah,
or no?
I'm almost done.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm done now.
Cool.
I'm not.
We'll do a massive cleanup when you're done. Cap the glue? No. Done with the activator?
The activator's right there.
I know. Are you done?
Can I add a little bit of the shaving cream to make it fluffy?
You're done with the activator, correct? And I'll get you new cups. Here they are. This is your final cup when you're done. That's where you store it.
Ready?
Is there gonna be a lid?
Okay, guys,
for
this
it?
is like literally
Yeah,
the
foil.
final video. Finally,
Okay.
we got to the final video. We got to the final thing. So when it's all coming together, it's all becoming fluffy. It's all becoming like less sticky, and it's becoming actual
Here's my
slimes.
slime right here.
Less stringy. Mine's a little bit stringy right now, but I'm gonna keep mixing because it makes it less stringy if you keep mixing, or if you add more glue.
Oh my god, that's loud.
I'm done with this now, okay? Daddy's.
And Sophia, that's right.
Okay, we're almost finished with this. We're gonna show you some poking. And maybe this might make
Okay, so I need to show you guys the poking on my hand, but really good poking.
Wait, let's hear how mine is.
Whoa!
I love this
Now
sound.
let's
and
do
it-
the swirl.
Okay. Whoa,
Can I
this
feel
is
yours?
cool.
Can you feel mine?
Okay, it's really cool.
There's product on
Okay,
top
so
of
I
stuff.
really love this slime. It's like very fluffy.
I did my swirl. Now the pokes. Wait, let's try to do the bubble contest if
Okay.
we can.
Do you know how to make a bubble?
Yeah,
Me too.
they're easy.
Wait, I'm gonna wait for my mom to like wash it off. Oh my god, there's still some paint. Oh my god, I have to add this. I have to add the purple paint. Hey, you're gonna make it purple.
No. It just
It's gonna make it a little bit darker. Oh no. Look how stretchy this is. Okay. Okay, so all that
I'm
hard
making a
work
pizza.
was for sure meant for like good slime.
that's like we're making a pizza.
Okay, so Mama, can you wipe this?
What? No, here. Put it in your cups here. And then go wash.
We're doing a bubble.
And then
Bubble contest.
Oh, then do it over here and I'll wipe that down after.
This is a bubble
Put it in your
contest.
cups first. You're doing bubble over
Okay,
here?
let's do a bubble contest.
Okay. I'll wipe this after, honey.
I don't want to do a bubble contest.
Let me do a bubble contest with myself. Whoa. And move.
Definitely. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay.
Okay. That's after. You go.
Okay.
Get it
Could
all
we
out.
go? Do we have time for going for a little swim?
You have a lot of time, an hour. So put your stuff in your
Oh,
cup and go
okay.
wash your hands.
Not a
Say
little
bye.
bit.
I'll say bye to you. Say bye.
I hope you guys. Wait.
Wait, Farrah might want to say bye.
Farrah, do you want to say bye?
Come, quick. We really hope you guys enjoyed. All we have to say is bye.
Bye.